Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of AI not working on Suno app. Here we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Suno app and you click in this page. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.